Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to my channel, and I'm coming back with another skincare vlog. So, as y'all know, in my last vlogs that I made concerning my skin, I'm on a journey of trying to heal my skin before my wedding. Well, my wedding has come and gone. I am now married. I am now Mrs. Davis. And the day was so nice, y'all. It really was nice. A little bit of drama at the beginning of the day before the ceremony and everything. But, you know, that's neither here nor there. You know, the devil got no victory, no glory on that day, you know. So I just saw a lot of people, you know, for who they truly are. I saw their true colors, and that's all I got to say about that. But and you know, I'm acting accordingly, because whenever people show you who they are, you act accordingly. Okay, don't keep feeding a snake and try to pet a snake when they have shown you that they are indeed a snake. So just a nugget of wisdom. Anyways, but my day went wonderful. It really did. And I had high anxiety about my skin and how my skin was going to look, how my skin was going to show, like, would my scars show underneath the makeup, stuff like that. Like, I had really high anxiety because I don't care who you are. Every woman wants to feel beautiful on her wedding day. Okay? Like, every woman wants to feel beautiful. And I am no different. So I was trying so hard to clear up my skin, and ironically I started seeing better results during the week of my honeymoon. My husband and I, we went on our honeymoon the very next day after our wedding, and I started seeing results, especially on this side, after the wedding. And I think it's mainly due to the fact that I started using a few new items in my skincare regimen. So I want to share with y'all what I've been using. So I think I don't know if I shared this or not, but I started using the Ordinary Azelaic, I think that's how you pronounce it, acid. So I rub this on my face every morning, and I think that this really is improving my skin, because as y'all see, I still have acne scars. I still have a long ways to go, but my skin is looking 1,000 times better than it was. Like, if you compare this video to my previous acne vlog videos, like, you'll see, like, my skin is looking a lot better, and I think that this is playing a big role in it. So that's that. Also, y'all know I picked up the Neutrogena Stubborn Acne. I really do like this, especially to treat pimples, because this has benzoyl peroxide in it. So if you have some really stubborn acne and you really want to treat it, I would suggest using this product. I talked about Neutrogena in the past, and Neutrogena has never really done it for me, but this is the one product from Neutrogena that I actually enjoy. So the next item that I like to use in the morning that I feel like that's been really helping my skin, I've been using the e.l.f. I use this as a form of a sunscreen when I don't really feel like using the Derma E sunscreen, because this product right here, it leaves a really bad cast on my face. Like, it has that ugly white cast, and I just can't. I'll put it on because I know that it's good for my skin, but I really don't like it. I really don't. And for whatever reason, like, it lasts a long time. It still feels full, and I've been using this every day since like 2021. So I'm still working on trying to get through that bottle, but it's hanging on. But I do like using this because this do not leave an ugly white cast. This is a moisturizing hydrating cream. It's e.l.f. Skin Holy Hydration, and it has SPF 30 in it. And so that's what I like about this. It has SPF 30 in it, and I really like the fact that this is a good hydrating cream. It's a good moisturizing cream for the morning time, but it has SPF 30, and this has SPF 45. So this is a stronger sunscreen, but it has the ugly white cast. So when I don't feel like fooling with the ugly white cast, I just put this on and I call it the day. Alright. But one thing I really do feel like has been making the biggest difference for me, I've incorporated tea tree oil. In my skincare. I normally try to use the tea tree oil at night, and I rub it into my skin along with the La Roche-Posay Adaphamine cream. Let me show y'all. Let me bring it closer to the camera so y'all can see exactly what this is looking like. Alright, so I'll use this and this together, and of course I'll go in with my Cetaphil moisturizing lotion at night. You have to use moisturizer with this cream. I learned that last week when during my honeymoon. I put this on without putting any type of moisturizer on, and along with my tea tree oil, and all along like my mouth area, my skin started peeling, and my skin was so dry for days. Even when I started back using the moisturizer, it was still super dry. So I would suggest to anybody, please make sure you are using moisturizer whenever you use this product. This is, for what was told to me anyways, this is the closest thing to any type of treatment that a dermatologist would prescribe to you if you were to go to a dermatologist. I told myself I'm going to use this completely up and see how it does for my skin. If I don't see any improvements with my skin, then I'm going to go to a dermatologist. But I think I'm starting to see some kind of improvement with my skin here and there and here. But, you know, we're still seeing. But I really do think that the tea tree oil is making a big difference. I've been incorporating this tea tree oil in my face mask, in using my Adaphamine night cream, and I feel like it's really making a difference. Because let me pull the camera back closer to my face. Y'all see, like, the acne scars are starting to fade more and more. Yes, I still have acne breakouts here, even like on my forehead and stuff, but the acne scars is starting to really fade for me, and I really do think that this is making a difference. So if you're on this acne journey along with me trying to heal your skin, I would suggest using tea tree oil. It's worth a try. It really is. And the last thing that I purchased, I've only used this product twice, but I really do like it. I went to an Indian grocery store a couple of days ago, and I picked up this turmeric face wash, and y'all, I really do like it. So it's supposed to help with acne, it's supposed to help clear up your skin, and it smells really good. This is straight from India, y'all. Made, manufactured, everything in India. And one thing about me, I love Indian skincare. I love Indian hair care. So before I wrap up this little vlog, I want to talk about the oils that I got from the Indian store as well, real quick, y'all. And I want to tell y'all how much I spent. I got my little receipt right here. So the first thing I picked up was neem oil. I've heard so many good things about neem oil and how it really helps with your hair. So this neem oil cost me a grand total of $3.99. Okay? Now, if you were to go on Amazon, stuff like that, neem oil is going to cost you a lot more money. This whole bottle, let me just demonstrate, give y'all a comparison how big this bottle is. This bottle cost me $4. That's not bad at all for neem oil. So I'm really excited about this oil. I put this in my oil mix already, and I'm excited to see how my hair is gonna grow. Right now my hair is in a protective style. I did a sew-in for my wedding, and so I just been, you know, oiling up my scalp that way. And I'm excited to see how my hair is gonna grow with this neem oil. The next thing I picked up was the flaxseed oil. So this is what the bottle looks like. And I got this flaxseed oil for $3.99, basically $4 again. So this is not bad, y'all. Both of these bottles, if I was just to go to the store and buy both of these bottles, $8. That ain't bad at all. The next thing I picked up was some vitamin E oil. And y'all, this is a huge bottle of vitamin E. And I got this vitamin E oil for let's see. Well, it's actually almond drops, but it has vitamin E in it. So I just like to call it vitamin E oil. But it's basically called almond drops. And let's see, it has 6 times the vitamin E, nourishment for reduced hair fall, healthy and beautiful hair. So yeah, you can't really beat that. Let's see, it has, the ingredients is mustard oil, including sweet almond oil, vitamin E. So it's like a mixture of sweet almond oil and vitamin E. And so I got this for $6.99. And what I must say about this, it smells so good. It smells just like a baby product, honestly. It smells great. So I'm super excited to see how this is gonna help with my hair. And last but definitely not least, I got my beloved amla oil. I love amla oil. This is what it looks like, y'all. It's green. It's a green oil. But if I really had to narrow down what's really grown my hair in the past 2 years, I would say it's this oil right here. This oil has made such a difference for me. And I got this oil from the Indian store for $3.99. You really can't beat it. You cannot beat this at all. So that is what I got. And I also, again, I got the turmeric face wash as well. And I got this face wash for $5.99. So overall, for all of that, for all what? 6 items that I bought, I spent $27.26. And if I was to get this online on Amazon, or if by some miracle you could find these same oils at Walmart or Target or something, I would have paid, well, probably $40 to $50, honestly. So, because oils are not cheap, especially the really good oils. So I hit the jackpot. If you have an Indian store in your city, I would highly suggest checking it out, seeing what kind of hair care and skincare products that they have. Because let's keep it real, Indians, they have immaculate hair. They have immaculate hair, they have immaculate skin. And so I just want to encourage y'all, let's get on the Indian skincare, hair care wave, because their hair and their skin is immaculate. Perfect. I envy them. Okay? I envy them. I want to be like them. Anyways, y'all, that's really all I have for y'all. I'm going to go ahead and wash my face, do my morning skincare. I'm probably going to do a turmeric mask. Y'all know this is the turmeric that I use. I just cut open a peel and mix it with some apple cider vinegar, and I put it on my face and I let it sit on my face, and that's basically my mask. And I'm probably gonna wash my face in this turmeric face wash and call it the day. Alright, so that's really all I have for y'all. Thank y'all so much for watching this video to the end. I hope I put y'all on to some new good products, and continue coming with me on this journey of healing my skin. As y'all can see, progress is being made. So if you're not subscribed, please subscribe to stay connected with what's going on over here. Don't forget to like this video, comment on this video, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.